never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck.
Hey, it's Gav from Hiking for Health and welcome to another wild camp. I'm quickly finding a spot. I've got some salmon, some coleslaw and some Mexican style rice to cook up tonight. So I'm just looking for good views and a relaxing, peaceful evening. So I'll head on to my spot. I'm going to wait until it gets a bit darker and then pitch up and just enjoy the views.
Forever, and I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I'll always be by your side. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
So I've been out and about adventuring and now I'm going to sit and have my dinner before finding somewhere suitable to pitch up for the night. Should be fun finding a place. I'll see where I end up. So I've been hiking and exploring the area. The sunset is coming through, so I'm going to set the camera up on a time lapse and see what happens. It looks like it's going to be a nice one. And whilst that's time lapsing, I'm going to be getting a coffee on, and then when the sun's gone down, it's time for the tent. So it's 4:45. It's an early start. I want to get the tent down straight away. It was definitely a pitch very late and leave very early type of camp. Sunrise is in about 20 minutes. So that's 5:15 and the sunrise is at 5:21. Everything's packed up just thereabouts and the midges seem to have disappeared and given me some space. When I first opened the tent door, they were everywhere. Could be a nice sunrise this morning. So I haven't seen anybody along this route whilst I've been packing up, which is a bonus of packing up early. And leave no trace, buddy. There you go.
Close your eyes. Get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here. It's gonna